we're going to try squash. You ready? You ready? Is it good? You like squash? Mm. Yeah. 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 Squash. Squash. Yeah, little bird. Yummy. Winter squash. Winter squash. Yeah. Winter squash. Winter squash. What do you think? Yeah? Mmm. Yeah. Winter squash. Oh, what a good girl. What a good girl. Winter squash. Still working on it? Here we go. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Little cereal. Little cereal. Yeah. Little cereal. Yeah. Yeah. Here's some squash and cereal. Good eater tonight. Good eater tonight. Ready? Good job, Eden. Just cereal. Yeah. Squash? More squash? Here's some cereal. Here we go. Oh, still swallowing. Okay. You alright? It's much easier without your help. Squash, you like it. Yeah, you're a good girl. Cereal's kind of thin tonight. Thank you, little bird. Thank you, Mama Bird. Yeah, baby bird. What a baby bird you are. Yeah, look at these yummy squash. Yeah, good girl. Some cereal. Yeah. Oop, oop. Here's some squash. Yeah. Ooh, we're getting close on the squash. Here we go. Oh, good job, Eden. Yeah. Here we go. One big bite. That was all squash. Yeah. Okay, what a baby bird. What a baby bird you are. Just cereal. That's all Mama has left.